Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of international relations. Ever wondered why countries around the world behave the way they do? Why some nations are allies while others are rivals? Today I'm breaking down the basics of international relations, making it super easy for you to understand. Think of it as the world's biggest group project where every country has a role to play. Countries work together, argue, and sometimes even fight, just like people do in any group project. They do this to manage their relationships and solve problems that impact us all, from global warming to economic crises. Diplomacy is like the art of making friends and influencing people, but on a global scale. It's all about negotiation and compromise. Diplomats are the ones who negotiate agreements, treaties, and alliances. They work tirelessly to ensure peace and cooperation. Think of them as the world's professional problem solvers, always looking for ways to make things better. Ever heard of the United Nations? It's one of the most important organizations in international relations. It's a big club where almost every country is a member, working together to address global issues. The goal is to promote peace, security, and cooperation among nations, making the world a safer place for everyone. There are also other groups like NATO and the World Health Organization, each with their own focus areas, from defense to health. Countries buy and sell goods and services from each other, engaging in international trade. This is super important because it affects our everyday lives, from the clothes we wear to the food we eat. Imagine a world without international trade. Trade agreements can either make or break economies, influencing job markets and economic stability. Unfortunately, not all international interactions are friendly. Conflicts and wars are also part of international relations. Sometimes countries go to war over resources, territory, or political differences, leading to devastating consequences. Understanding these conflicts helps us learn from the past and work towards a more peaceful future. It's crucial to note why these conflicts happen. Things like climate change, human rights, and poverty don't respect borders. These are global issues that require global solutions. Countries need to work together to tackle these challenges, sharing resources and knowledge to find effective solutions. That's where international relations come in, providing a framework for cooperation and problem solving. By collaborating, countries can come up with solutions that benefit everyone, ensuring a better future for all. Because international relations shape the world we live in, influencing everything from the news you watch to the policies that affect your life. From the news you watch to the policies that affect your life, it's all connected. Being aware of these connections makes you a more informed citizen. Understanding these basics helps you make sense of the world and become a more informed global citizen. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool content. Your support helps us bring you more educational videos. Keep learning and stay curious. See you next time. Remember, the world is a big place and there's always something new to discover.